Hi, good morning. Philip from TW White & Sons. We have here our beautiful Mazda CX-30 2-litre 122 PS 2-wheel drive SEL Lux manual, finished in machine grey. This car was registered 10th of November 21. It's our own demonstrator, and it has covered 5,100 miles. Finished in beautiful machine grey. It's a great spec vehicle. Got body side protection mouldings here, alloy wheels, and coming round to the rear here, really great sized tailgate boot area. I'll just clip these things up here like so. 60/40 split rear seat system, load area cover. Underneath here you've got storage, and underneath the storage you've got your pump kit and tools. So you've got this false floor, which is very, very useful for putting items underneath it. But unmarked boot area, tailgate area, in beautiful condition. This car, e-SKYACTIV G, which is 122 PS. We'll come on to Mazda's mild hybrid in a minute. Beautifully finished, and comes with a balance of a 3 years manufacturer's parts and labour warranty. Car will be fully checked over, serviced if it needs it prior to customer delivery. But look at this, beautifully appointed interior in grey cloth here, durable, hard wearing, neutral colour, very smart. Electric windows on the driver's door with electric power folding door mirrors, and all these switches here for electric mirrors, electric windows, very much give a feel of a premium vehicle. Sitting inside the car, first array of switches we come to is Mazda's traction control, parking sensors, and their stop-start i-stop technology. And here, directly in front of us, just turn the volume down on this, you've got your multifunction steering wheel, which features on the left-hand side integrated Bluetooth with voice control, volume control here for all those functions, and change station and in-car entertainment source. Info button here. If you look at this central display, it changes the central speedometer display here, and it tells you what you're at. You got your trip meter, which you can of course zero, and you've got your MPG meter on the left hand side. 5,171 miles. Tachometer on the left hand side. On the right hand side you've got fuel gauge, temperature gauge. It's very simple. Tells us on the right hand side of the speedo we've got 130 miles left in the tank till we need to refill. The outside temperature is 15 degrees Celsius. On the right hand side of the steering wheel you've got intelligent cruise control, which senses when there's cars in front of you. It's not just an ordinary cruise control, it's Mazda's intelligent adaptive cruise control. On the right hand side behind that you've got auto wipers, I do beg your pardon, with variable speed on the intermittent, and your rear wiper. And on the left hand side here you've got auto lights. So really great simple specification here, and works very well. Very much a driver's car. Keyless entry here. You have electronic handbrake, your main navigation controls here just beneath the gear stick. So you've got things like your stereo, navigation, back button, home screen, favourites you can set up there, master control for volume, and your auto handbrake with hold facility. Master control for volume, that means so you can control the volume on this car stereo, nav, phone, etc. from two places, here and here. So For the purposes of this video, we're going to use the main navigation wheel, but information first off. Fuel efficiency monitor, we're in the home screen here. M hybrid, as I've said before. Vehicle status monitor, tells us when we're next due a service, etc. Really fabulous vehicle. Coming back to it, it's just we have entertainment here. You got DAB. If you press the button, you've got source list here. Takes you through FM, AM, USB connectivity, etc. Back gives us that. Back to DAB. Very simple. Communication, Bluetooth. You can Bluetooth your phone to this. Satellite navigation, nice big wide screen there. Press the menu button, you can add your destination, route options, map view, travel information, navigation settings, etc. It's very, very thorough. Search, you can set up favourites, POI categories, petrol, restaurant, etc. Anytime you press those, like so, it tells us where all our nearest restaurants are here close to the area. Very simple, very effective, works really well. Back button here, settings, in-vehicle displays. You got a head-up display here. I won't show that to you because it probably won't come out quite clearly on this camera, but the head-up display, active driving display, that's what it is. You can make adjustments to height, brightness, tilt. The content, the navigation signal can be displayed through that head-up display. Very useful, very safe when you're driving the car as well. Center display, what we're on at the moment. You can adjust the brightness, contrast, home screen clock, ambient display. It's very, very thorough. You can also adjust, actually I didn't cover that off, instrument cluster display, that's our center display, fuel efficiency and range display, type 1, type 2, restore factory settings, etc. So you can play about with this vehicle and you can tailor make it to suit your own individual tastes. Sound settings, likewise, you can adjust all your audio settings here. Equalizer, listening position, fader, balance, automatic level control, that will adjust the sound to compensate for any road or engine noise, automatic source level adjustment. Really useful. Safety settings, this car's loaded with them. Driver assistance system. You got Mazda radar, cruise control, as I've said before, traffic speed limit sync, audible cruise confirmation. That's a really good safety feature when you're setting your cruise control as a good reminder. Safety alerts, rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning system, really useful if you're driving along a motorway and somebody is passing you, or you're veering out of lane. Moreover, that somebody is passing you is to do with blind spot monitoring. I'll come to that in a minute, but you're in the central lane and you start veering out of lane, this car will keep you in lane or warn you of that through a steering wheel vibration. You can adjust the parameters of that vibration as well. Blind spot monitoring, which I alluded to earlier, that's if a car is in your blind spot trying to overtake you, the exterior mirrors light up, you get a visual, you light up with little triangles, you get a visual and audible signal. You can adjust the alert timing of that. So as I say, really really great from safety perspective. Lane keep assist system as well. Collision avoidance, that's like your smart city brake support. Under the right conditions, that will automatically brake the car. parking sensors, speed alerts, pedal misuse alerts. So the car is loaded with safety features. Vehicle settings here, you can adjust parameters of your door locks, automatic relock wait time, keyless walk away locking, keyless beep confirmation. There's loads of simple menus here that you can tailor make this car to your individual taste. Automatic headlight sensitivity, high beam control, coming home light, leaving home light, etc. Rain sensing wipers, automatic folding side mirrors, that's your power folding mirrors, your turn signals, you can adjust the flash turn signal, you can adjust your indicator volume as well, that's attention to detail. Rear window defogger, link seat and climate control temperatures, fuel door lock relay. There is loads to play about with on this brilliant vehicle. We'll go back to the DAB. There's your home screen on the car. There's your DAB. You got down here very simple, very effective cruise control system, press automatic. It's dual zone control, so you can operate, the passenger can operate their temperature independently of the driver, but in simple terms you just press automatic, dial in your temperature, you see, dial in your temperature, press auto, it will direct the air and adjust the fan speed according to the internal temperature of the vehicle. Heated rear window, demist on the front, heated seats, driver and passenger. It's simple. If you want to override your auto function here, just press this middle button here. It'll take you out of auto, and you can adjust your directional controls, as you can see here on the screen, independently of the auto function, or you can adjust that, which is your fan speeds. You can see here that the driver's independently adjusting the temperature versus the passenger. If you want to make that together, simple, you just press the sync button. Very simple. Cup holders, main navigation wheel, 6-speed manual gearbox, which I alluded to earlier, which is an absolute delight to drive. This car is got tremendous road holding, handling, braking capabilities, and the 122 PS engine on this vehicle is very, very effective indeed. You'll see here, I alluded to earlier, energy flow monitor on this vehicle. It's iStop, Mazda's mild M hybrid technology on this vehicle, and this has got cylinder deactivation as well. So you're making the most of its environmental credentials on this vehicle, which is superb. iStop, if you stop at traffic lights and they happen to be red and the car is iStop ready, the car will stop, the engine will cut out. When the lights turn to green, you engage gear, the engine will cut back in. Has obvious fuel saving advantages, easy on the pocket, which is of tremendous benefit nowadays with the cost of living. The M hybrid technology, all the power that is used through deceleration, braking, etc., all that kinetic energy gets stored into, it gets captured by the vehicle, stored in an integrated storage generator that is then transferred to a battery, which helps power the vehicle's electrical systems and helps the vehicle accelerate from standstill at a junction. So it's all there. It's got excellent environmental credentials, this car. The iStop technology, the Mazda's M hybrid, which captures energy through deceleration and braking into an integrated storage generator, and then that gets transferred to a battery which helps power those electrical systems. Really great system here. Underneath here, useful storage, USB, 24-volt power socket. It's all there. Beautifully finished vehicle. Really, really impressive, and drives impressive. These CX-30s have been fantastic sellers since their inception. As I say, It will come with a balance of 36 months manufacturer's warranty. TW White & Sons here will take any vehicle in part exchange, and we'll be as competitive as the companies advertising on national television. So if you want to find out more about this beautiful Mazda CX-30, please go onto our website, which is www.twwhiteandsons.co.uk. Thanks for watching.